ProtectLine gives your machining center reliable protection in every mode of operation, preventing collisions that could arise from operating errors or faulty NC programming, for instance. The digital system creates a fully detailed model of the physical machine, as well as the machining center. All machining tools with tool holders and the workpiece with mechanism are incorporated in the model. A virtual machining process runs parallel to the real thing. This automatic cutting simulation ensures the geometry of the virtual workpiece always corresponds to that of the real workpiece, a model quality that is unique on the market. In the event of a machine crash, the digital twin will be the first to collide, meaning the machining center can be safely shut down in good time. This means potentially major damage and production downtime can be reliably avoided, which in turn increases availability and productivity. ProtectLine combines with ProcessLine to form an integrated digital process chain. ProcessLine simulates the real NC program in a proprietary stage. ProtectLine provides reliable protection against production downtime during operation.